Well, if you've driven on the interstate today, you probably noticed just how incredibly windy it is out there. And if you're not careful, believe it or not, those winds could knock you and your vehicle right off the road.
Christian Hauser is live to show us how high winds can even push a huge semi out of its lane and how you can stay safe. Christian?
Guys, when we're driving around on a high wind day like today, we really feel it in these SUVs. Now take a walk with me over here. Take a look at this semi truck, and there's a couple more down there. Now imagine just how that wind hits them on a high wind gust today. Now, when you're behind the wheel, you need to pay extra attention and give them extra space when you're behind the wheel.
Greg Boppel has been driving a tractor trailer for more than 20 years. He knows how dangerous it can be driving in high winds, especially if he's pulling an empty trailer.
This is just like one huge sail in the wind.
He says those strong winds can push a semi pretty easily.
Hopefully you've got some weight inside the box, as we call it, and that keep you a little more stable and not rocking and rolling all the time.
You're probably starting to see more and more trailers with these on them. They're known as skirts and tails. They make the truck more aerodynamic, which means better fuel economy, but it also helps the truck cut through the wind. As good as these systems are, trucks still get knocked around, and that's something Boppel wishes other drivers kept in mind.
You can have as much as 80,000 pounds legally on the highway going 65, 70 miles an hour, and it's quite dangerous. And people should learn maybe to respect these a lot more than they do.
And when you do pass a truck, don't take your time. Try to get into their main field of vision as quick as you can.
If you're passing a truck, I wouldn't lollygag around and hang beside a truck too long. Things can happen. If a tire blows, that could take your door with it.
Jet Express actually had a safety meeting with its drivers about today's high wind conditions, but it wasn't just for the Dayton area. It was on I-70 all the way west to St. Louis. Reporting live in Dayton, Christian Hauser, Fox 45 News on ABC.